guys, welcome back to Douglas Smile Garage Videos. I just want to show you a short little video of my Corvette back there. It's a diecast one, vintage ertl diecast. I added seats and steering wheel into it, so it wasn't missing. I painted it also, because when I received it through a trade, it was missing the steering wheel and the lower back cushion of the seat, missing the upper back. I detailed what was the original engine, so I did leave some original